The bells of Notre-Dame echoed through the night as Hoot swooped onto a Parisian rooftop. Have you ever wondered what happens when something precious is almost lost but then finds new life? Hoot's yellow eyes sparkled with excitement. Let me tell you about an amazing cathedral called Notre-Dame. Oh! Hoot fluttered his wings eagerly. Something incredible is happening this December 2024. Notre-Dame is reopening after a terrible fire. Can you believe it took over 5 years to restore this magnificent cathedral? But wait. Hoot's feathers ruffled with emotion. Let me tell you what happened. One terrible night in April 2019, a fire threatened to destroy this precious place. But something amazing happened. People from all over the world came together to save it. Can you guess how many countries offered to help? More than 20. And do you know what all these amazing people worked so hard to save? Some of the most beautiful architecture ever created. Can you count the 3 beautiful rose windows? They're like giant circular puzzles made of colored glass. And look at those pointed arches and flying buttresses. They're like magical bridges holding up the walls. The clever builders from 850 years ago figured out that this special design could make the walls super tall. And guess what? Over 2,000 skilled workers helped bring Notre Dame back to life. There were stone carvers, wood crafters, glass makers, and even scientists studying every tiny detail. They worked super carefully to make everything just right. Seeing how people from all over the world came together to help. They shared their skills, their love, and their hope. It shows that when we work together, we can do amazing things. And now, as the sun rises over Paris, Notre Dame stands tall and proud once more. It's a symbol of hope, resilience, and the power of working together. Just like the sun, it shines brightly, lighting up the hearts of everyone who sees it. Isn't it amazing what we can achieve when we come together? Listen! Hoot's wings rose with excitement. The bells are singing again. Each one has its own special voice, from the deep boom of the big bells to the light tinkle of the small ones. When they ring together, it's like they're telling stories through their songs. Spreading his wings for takeoff, Hoot asked, "Would you like to explore more of Notre Dame's secrets with me? There's so much to discover." Notre Dame is more than just a building. It's a symbol of our shared history and future. As we look to the future, let's remember the lessons of the past and the power of coming together. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, keep dreaming and building. What an incredible journey we had today, friends! Ask your grown-up to help you subscribe and like, so you won't miss any of our magical daily stories. See you next time.